It's February 8th, 2026, and I'm at Whiff and Spit on a beautiful sunny afternoon. The water's just coming in gently here. It's about 3:30, I think, getting towards the end of the day. And I'm continuing to contemplate as viewed, so appears, which is basically pointing to the role we have in how we perceive what's happening around us, what's happening even inside us. As viewed, so appears. It doesn't mean that we can completely change everything with just deciding we want it to be different. But it does mean that the way we view things affects how they appear. And it's pointing also to the dreamlike quality of our daily waking existence as well as our dream time. So the Buddha taught not just that our everyday reality, waking reality, is like a dream, but that it is a dream. Things are a little more solid in our everyday reality than they are in our night dreaming. But it is the same nature, the same quality, that when we do change our view, what we think of as being outside of ourselves does appear different. And just play with that. I've been playing with it. It's an interesting exercise. As viewed, so appears.